Jen from Rustic Rehabs. I am at the Goodwill in Menomonee Falls, and it's like 5 degrees out, you guys. So it's about 5 o'clock. I'm running late. We've been dealing with a water issue at the shop and cleaning up, and boy, so I need some thrifting fun. Let's go see what we can find for spring. This piece of art is a good candidate to open up and put something else in, like decoupage paper, but I have a lot of these in storage that I need to use up first. We made a big cleaning effort right before the flood, and I need to get back and use that stuff up. Okay, this I've got to get, though. I can totally see somebody wanting this in my shop. Farmhouse-ish, and it says all the charm without the farm. Too cute. Seeing this reminds me I have a few of these in my storage I need to go find, so we put this back. But I did get these 2 mandala art pieces and this already sold in the shop. I did grab this tin sign. I think it's super, super sweet. These are lanterns for $5 each. I actually added greenery to them, and we can use them as lanterns. If they don't sell right away, I'll probably spray paint them, but they have a lot of potential. I feel you, Mr. Bunny. I feel the same way. I like this guy. I have a friend of his back at the shop. Now we have 2. Lots of florals today, but nothing that's tripping my trigger. We just actually added a whole bunch of new florals, and half spheres are still my favorite thing. Check out how pretty these are in the shop. This would look really good with a half sphere in it, but I passed for now. I'm going to paint this and put a plant in it. It will be so good. I held off on these, but I wish I would have picked them up. We'll see if they're in there next time. This cutie will be put away till Christmas time, and I always grab these little kind of bottles and vases to make thrift store marriages when I can. Who's had one of these? I think I gave my mom one of these a few years ago for Christmas. I kind of liked the look of this, but I could not figure out how to get a candle in it, so we put it back. These chunky bunnies were sweet. They're not a huge profit maker, but they will look very cute in my shop. This week's coupon deal is 5 off of $25, and I saw this gal and had to come back for her. Now this I got excited about. We turned it into a faux succulent with a little bunny. Look at how good this turned out. Fast trip this week, I spent about 30 bucks after coupons and my rewards. And then I had to go back. So I picked up this big jewelry cabinet, which I will be flipping in an upcoming video. It was 20 bucks, which was a little steep, but I think I can make this really cool. So stick around, be sure to follow me in the next few weeks. And this very cool sculpture from 1961. I did a video on how I updated it with a little bit of dark and decrepit to fix her, and she is available, and I think a super cool find. To buy any of the products you've seen today, you can shop rusticrehabs.com. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you like my content, please follow or subscribe. It really helps me out. Jen, I'm passionate about reusing and saving old things.